Okay guys, today on Shooting Science, we are going to be unboxing the new Gen 5 Glock G29 chambered in 10mm. In my opinion, this is one of the craziest compact concealable carry pistols that you can buy today. It is very chunky, it is very wide, your pinky won't fit on it, and it shoots a very big bullet. Let's dig in. All right, so it comes with a mag loader, these short little mags, 10 round mags, as you can see, 10mm is the caliber. Three mags are included, which is awesome. So many handguns these days come with one or two mags. This comes with three. It also comes with these back straps with a pin. Yep, it looks like you just knock that pin out, put the back strap you want on there, and put the new pin through. Sure, there's a little bit more to that. Oh, look, in here, it's got a little Glock pin pusher. I think that's what that is. Yeah, we can try that. Let's see. There's the two comes with. So that one's pretty comfortable. Don't know which one's bigger. Looks like that looks a little bit bigger. Get a big lip with it to keep your hand from going up. What it looks like with a magazine inserted with the large back strap on. I don't have it fully inserted with the pin, but that's what it will look like. This is a new finish on the Gen 5s. As you can see, it's rainbowing with my oils from my skin on there. But this finish is supposed to be more durable. So that's cool. You still have the same Glock sights. And because this is 10mm, this is a really thick slide, which I like. I think it looks awesome. And it's really heavy. The slide is. You know, I don't think I would even need this, even though I have really large hands. Yeah, I'm not sure that that's more comfortable, actually. I wear double XL gloves, and it fits my hand just right, actually, without any grips on there, or without any back straps on there. And if you wanted to see the trigger pull, they've improved the trigger. It still has a little bit of sponge right there, but then a definite wall, a little bit sponge again, and then a break. There's a reset. So again, we got a sponge, another sponge wall, and then a break. Good reset. It is a smooth pulling trigger. There's not any grit in it or anything. But there is a little bit of a spongy wall there. And that finish is interesting. Here's a better look at the finish. Looks real nice to me. So as we've been unboxing this thing, we've sort of organically found a few of the differences between this Gen 5 and the Gen 4. So I wanted to stop right here and take a moment to point all those things out. We've already talked about the new finish, the easier, better trigger pull, and the back straps that you can put on with the big beaver tail that you get by adding those on there. But there's a few other things. The first thing I want to point out is this slide that you can see right here on the front. There's the slide serrations on the front as well as the rear of the slide, which I think is really cool. It gives you a really nice grip surface in the front to be able to rack your slide from the front. And I really like that because I usually do that on some of my other handguns as well. You also have ambidextrous slide stop lever right here, an ambidextrous slide stop lever. So if you're a lefty, you don't have to go buy a new part or install it on the other side. It's already there. And now you can, I think on the Gen 4s, you could reverse the magazine release, but you can still do that on here. And you don't have to buy a new part. You can just use this one. There's a little slot right here where that notch from the other side flips over the other way and goes in here. So that's cool. They also changed this grip texture. It's subtle, but it's different. They also removed the finger grooves right here. People were complaining that their fingers didn't fit in the finger grooves. Of course, it fits some people, but not everybody. So they just removed those completely. And then they also have the new barrel, GMB as they would call it. It's the Glock Marksman barrel with improved rifling on the inside to give you more accurate shots. So I welcome that. Also, you still use your Gen 4 magazines and magazine base plate extensions, like if you have a Pierce grip +2 extension, that'll all fit on the new Gen 5 magazines as well. And I think you can still use your Gen 4 magazines in here, and they're all the same from what I've seen. I don't have a Gen 4 to compare, but that's what I've been seeing, so that's pretty cool. It also works with, the G20 15-round magazine and then the X-Grip sleeve. That all works as well on these. So they did keep the good things, but they added a lot of things that people were asking for. So I think this Gen 5 is going to be a real hit with most people. All right, let's see what else you get with it. This looks like a barrel cleaner. You can just put on the end of one of those rods. You can thread it on and go through your barrel. Yeah. Like that. So you get your lock. Owner's manual is in here. don't see anything else in there. Oh. This is what the owner's manual looks like. Not a bad one. That's cool. I haven't found the English section yet. It's all in Italian, I guess, or something, but this shows you how to put on the back straps. So all the instructions are included. You do use the pin pusher that's included to push that pin through to get the back straps on. Cool. I'm glad they give you the tools to do it. Lots of stuff in here. You can complete your warranty for your new Glock pistol and get 20% of the Glock, 20% off at the Glock e-store. So that's cool. Nice. Oh man, the weight difference between this and this is crazy. Like this weighs a lot and this weighs nothing. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna weigh that on a scale real quick. I have one right here. Okay, so let's weigh just the frame. It is 4.3 ounces. Let's weigh just the assembled slide barrel. That is 1 pound, 4 ounces. And then assembled. Assembled with a mag in it. How about that? A mag weighs 2.4 ounces. And an unloaded mag. I don't have any 10 millimeter on me right now, so I can't load one up and weigh that, but £1 pound, 10 ounces, 1 pound, 10.8 ounces is how much the whole thing weighs. Let's try that again. Yep, 1 pound, 10.8 ounces. And now we're going to look at how this thing comes apart. So the first thing you do is take the magazine out. And then you got to pull on this little guy on both sides. Down while you hold that down. Pull the trigger. And it comes off. So for those of you that know what you're looking at, here's the inside. Looks like we've got a captured guide rod with 2 separate springs on there. It is a plastic rod. And then the barrel comes out like that. And then it goes back together. Same way. All right, well, that's everything that it comes with. I hope that was informative and useful for you. Now I need to go to the range and shoot it and give a review, so I'll be doing that next. But as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already.